We see these things in our lives almost every single day. From the moment we clock in at work, to when our phone rings, to when we scan groceries at the store, or even when we make a cup of coffee. There's no denying it. We humans are surrounded by technology and computers. But what is a computer and how does it actually work? That's exactly what we're going to explore right here on this episode of Connected Circuit. The technology makeup of computers is used on average more than 18 times a day by nearly every person on the planet. Most of us have grown immune, even spoiled, by innovations that dates back decades. Think back to the 1960s, when the first electronic calculator appeared. Or the 1970s, when the first digital watch was introduced. These inventions became so common that most people didn't even realize they were using computers. They were some of the first, truly digital devices that changed everyday life. So, what exactly is a computer, and how does it work? According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a computer is an electronic device that is programmable and can store, retrieve, and process data. When most people hear computer, they picture their mobile phone, a desktop tower, or maybe an old mainframe that filled an entire room. And they'd be right. But technically, a computer only needs three main components to qualify as one. For quick and easy understanding, let's imagine a multi-story office building. Inside, we'll set up an office. For this analogy, our administrative assistant represents the CPU that stands for the central processing unit. She has a large desk, which represents RAM, or random access memory, the short-term workspace where active tasks are handled. Next to her is a file cabinet, that's the hard drive or solid-state drive, where long-term data is stored. Our building's maintenance man represents the BIOS. That's the system that ensures everything starts up properly, keeps the lights on, and maintains order. Now, on another floor of our building is the graphics department. Their admin is responsible for everything displayed on the billboard outside. That's your computer's monitor, or display. At the start of the day, our CPU admin grabs a large folder labeled operating system, such as Windows, macOS, Android, or iOS, and spreads its contents across her desk. This folder gives her the instructions and tools she needs to do her job. As she works, she sends memos to other departments. These departments are graphics, audio, networking, where they each completing their tasks requested by the CPU. The results of that teamwork are what we see and hear through our devices, known as the output. Our CPU admin is incredibly fast, but when her desk becomes cluttered with too many open folders or too many active programs, she slows down. That's what happens when your computer gets overloaded. As long as those three main components exist, the CPU, the RAM, and the storage drive, the device can be considered a computer. And today, those devices keep getting smaller. We now have fully functional computers that can fit in the palm of your hand, or even smaller. Take the Raspberry Pi, for example, a microcomputer capable of running a full operating system, handling wireless and wired communication, and performing complex tasks all in a package smaller than a wallet. Technology is an ever-evolving force, one of the fastest-growing organisms on this planet. Humanity is constantly racing to build faster, smarter, and more innovative machines. As processors grow more intelligent, artificial intelligence is becoming the frontier of what's next. Who knows? Maybe one day, your next boss might not be a person, but a computer. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives, how-tos, and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, and stay connected with us on Connected Circuit.